Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
The Nubia Z70s Ultra is here, and it's more than just a smartphone. It's a camera powerhouse. From its striking design and pro-level camera features to the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this device promises a unique blend of style and performance. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Nubia Z70s Ultra and sharing my first impressions of this remarkable device. Get ready to explore its design, features, and what makes it stand out. This video has been shared by my tech partner from China, so a big thanks to him for that. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Now, let's get started with the unboxing. Right from the unboxing, the phone makes a statement with its impressively large packaging. As a photographer edition, it features an eye-catching large lens that truly stands out. The advanced quick-release mechanism adds a touch of convenience, and despite its robust build, the phone itself feels surprisingly lightweight when held. Now, let's take a look at the accessories. Inside the box, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, an instruction manual, and a stylish mobile phone case that complements the device. ZTE also includes an 80-watt fast charging adapter with a Type-C interface, along with a dual Type-C data cable for seamless connectivity. Finally, let's admire the Nubia Z70s Ultra itself. Simply stunning. Its design is sleek and elegant, making it a true visual delight. Let's start by appreciating the stunning design of the ZTE Nubia Z70s Ultra. The entire body exudes a sense of precision, characterized by sharp right angles and clean, straight edges, a design that boldly forgoes the usual smooth curves. The silver and black color combination adds a sophisticated touch, while the black section with its leather-like texture offers a refined feel despite being crafted with durable glass. This thoughtful choice not only enhances aesthetics, but also addresses the durability challenges often associated with genuine leather. One of the most striking features is the main camera, distinguished by its red circular accent, a detail that immediately draws the eye. Complementing this visual appeal is the brand new outsole and 35mm lens, giving the phone an imposing presence that feels both professional and captivating. The layered design of the ZTE Nubia Z70s Ultra seamlessly balances the deco module's protrusion, achieving both functionality and aesthetic harmony. Nubia has taken a bold step forward by equipping the imaging system with an independent mechanical shutter button, a clear indication of the brand's vision to create a professional-grade camera that just happens to make phone calls. From the front, the device exhibits an exceptionally squared-off profile, giving it a modern, streamlined appearance. Once the screen lights up, your eyes are immediately drawn to the expansive display, framed by ultra-slim bezels. Impressively, the front camera is almost invisible, maintaining the phone's clean and immersive look. Upon entering the desktop UI, you're greeted by a fresh and visually appealing interface. The updated icon design feels youthful and vibrant, adding a lively touch to the overall user experience. A perfect blend of form and function, the Nubia Z70s Ultra is truly a visual masterpiece. In this video, we'll be focusing on the unboxing and first impressions of the Nubia Z70s Ultra. Stay tuned, as a detailed review of the photography kit edition is coming soon. To be the first to catch the in-depth analysis, don't forget to subscribe and become part of our growing tech community. Let's take a closer look at the specifications of the Nubia Z70s Ultra. The device runs on Nebula AIOS, based on Android 15, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. Under the hood, it packs 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The display features an impressive 1.5K resolution, delivering vibrant and sharp visuals. Now let's talk about the camera. In contrast to the phone's minimalist system interface, the camera UI feels significantly more professional and feature-rich. A fitting choice given that Nubia was one of the first major brands to focus on mobile photography. Curious about the actual camera performance? Stay tuned, as I'll be sharing my hands-on experience in the upcoming video. This video covers just the unboxing and first impressions of the Nubia Z70s Ultra. I'll soon be uploading a detailed review of the photography kit edition. If you want to be the first to catch the in-depth analysis, make sure to subscribe and join our tech community. The Nubia Z70s Ultra is priced at $729 for the base variant in the USA. If you're in the UK, you can also order this device. Just be prepared to cover delivery charges.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.